Hello Motivators, DR Vision here. Hiking is a great way to de-stress and disconnect from the world. Whether you do it alone or with others, it's a wonderful experience. Now let's get started. 1. Plan and prepare. Planning is crucial before any hiking trip. Research your chosen trail to gather information about its difficulty level, distance, elevation gain, and any potential hazards. Check weather conditions and be prepared for changes. Make sure you have the appropriate equipment and supplies, such as a map, compass, GPS device, extra clothing, sufficient food and water, and a first aid kit. Inform someone about your plans, including your hiking route and estimated return time. 2. Stay on marked trails. Hiking trails are marked for a reason. They are designed to ensure your safety and protect the surrounding environment. Deviating from marked trails can lead to accidents, getting lost, and causing damage to fragile ecosystems. Following the designated paths helps preserve the natural beauty of the area and minimizes your impact on the environment. 3. Leave no trace. The leave. No trace principles are a set of guidelines aimed at minimizing the impact of outdoor activities on the environment. They include packing out all your trash, disposing of waste properly, minimizing campfire impact, respecting wildlife, and leaving natural and cultural artifacts undisturbed. By adhering to these principles, you help preserve the beauty of the wilderness for future generations. 4. Hike in a group or tell someone. Hiking with a companion or a group is generally safer than hiking alone. If you do choose to hike alone, inform someone trustworthy about your plans. Provide them with details of your intended route, estimated time of return, and any emergency contacts. This way, if you encounter any problems or don't return on time, someone will be aware of your situation and can initiate appropriate actions if necessary. 5. Pace yourself. Hiking can be physically demanding, especially on challenging terrains. Start with shorter and easier hikes, gradually increasing your distance and difficulty level as you gain experience and improve your fitness. Pay attention to your body and take breaks when needed. It's better to maintain a steady pace that you can sustain rather than rushing and risking exhaustion or injury. 6. Stay hydrated and fueled. Proper hydration and nutrition are essential during hiking trips. Carry an adequate supply of water and drink regularly to prevent dehydration, especially in hot or dry climates. Pack energy-rich snacks like nuts, trail mix, energy bars, or fresh fruits to keep your energy levels up. Remember to pack enough food and water for the duration of your hike, and consider water purification methods if necessary. 7. Dress appropriately. Dressing appropriately for hiking is crucial for your comfort and safety. Wear moisture-wicking and breathable clothing that suits the weather conditions. Dress in layers so you can adjust your clothing to temperature changes throughout the day. Choose sturdy and comfortable footwear that provides good traction and ankle support. Consider wearing a hat and sunglasses to protect yourself from the sun, and use sunscreen to prevent sunburn. 8. Be weather conscious. Stay informed about the weather forecast for your hiking area. Weather conditions can change rapidly in mountainous regions or wilderness areas. If severe weather is expected, such as thunderstorms, heavy rain, high winds, or extreme heat, it's advisable to postpone or cancel your hike. Be prepared for unexpected weather changes by carrying appropriate gear like rain gear, extra layers, or sun protection. 9. Be wildlife aware. Respect wildlife and observe them from a safe distance. Do not approach, feed, or attempt to touch wild animals. Observe their behavior from a distance. Use binoculars or a camera with a zoom lens to get a closer look. Feeding wildlife can disrupt their natural feeding patterns and make them dependent on human food, which is harmful to their health. Additionally, some animals can be dangerous if provoked or surprised, so it's important to maintain a safe distance. 10. Carry essential gear. It's essential to carry the right gear for your hiking trip. Some crucial items include a detailed map of the area, a compass or GPS device to navigate, a flashlight or headlamp with extra batteries, a first aid kit for any injuries or emergencies, a whistle to signal for help, a multi-tool or knife, and a fully charged mobile phone. Additional gear may include sunscreen, insect repellent, trekking poles, a hat, and sunglasses. Choose equipment suitable for the terrain and length of your hike. Remember, these rules are not exhaustive and may vary depending on the specific hiking location, regulations, and local conditions. Always research and adhere to any specific rules or guidelines to the area. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and remember to stay motivated.